Thursday the 4th of October, my flight to Jeddah departs in just 24 hours time. I'm feeling anxious, as you can probably imagine. I haven't even packed my bag yet. Honestly, the fact that I'm doing it still just feels so surreal. I can't really comprehend these feelings that I've got inside of me at the moment. I'm excited, but I'm nervous. Tomorrow's going to be quite an emotional day for me, of course, leaving my family and friends and Willow behind for so long. It's going to be tough. It's not going to be easy, but I guess making this portion of the video today kind of takes a little bit of pressure off of tomorrow. I've been very fortunate recently, have done a load of travelling. Of course, went to Punta Cana in the Dominican Republic, and then the week before that I was in Marrakesh in Morocco. The point being, I've made loads of videos recently around UK airports, and of course tomorrow I'm not really too sure what to expect in terms of how I'm going to feel. I just don't know. What I'm doing tomorrow I have never done before, so I don't want to put too much pressure on myself to make too many videos in, well, at very least the morning tomorrow, but of course once I'm on the plane I'm going to be absolutely fine, and I guess that is where we'll head after we finish today's portion of the video. Back from Argos, I just had to pick up a number of things that I'd ordered from the trip. I'll get onto a bit later. For now, as you can see, I've made a big pile of all my different bits and pieces that I'm of course going to be taking with me in this backpack and in this backpack here. Of course, having just got back from an American summer camp, you can see my clothes folding skills have definitely improved. Obviously, putting all this stuff into those bags, it's not going to be easy. It is a lot of stuff, and there's more stuff that's not down here that's in my room that also needs to somehow fit in these bags. But I've got about 140 litres across both of them. So tonight I'm hoping to get to bed early to get a good rest before tomorrow we're heading to Gatwick Airport. Of course, I'm flying with Saudia Airlines on a 787 to Jeddah before having an overnight stay over in Jeddah. And then of course we'll be heading to Manila the day after, and I absolutely cannot wait. This is everything that I'm taking with me to Asia. T-shirts, polo shirts, a nice pair of Adidas NMDs, cannot complain. A miniature backpack that I can fold up and use throughout the day. Waterproof hiking boots, Crocs because why the hell not? An old school wallet to keep my money safe. Some books here for all my writing and planning. You never know when you could need a padlock. Socks, swim shorts, actual shorts, of course underwear, but you don't need to see those. Heaps of sun cream, shampoo, body wash, of course, dupe, another spray, I can't say that, whatever that says. Hugo Boss, sun cream that I acquired from summer camp, lip balm, mints, flossers, toothpaste, mosquito stuff that just never really works, does it? A thermal bottle to keep the water cold, sunglasses, a torch, a spare tripod, another spare tripod, spare battery for my old GoPro, but I probably won't be using that too much, a power bank with about 2 weeks worth of charge on it, AirPods, Asian power adapters, a Go pole, headphones, more headphones but not quite as big and inconvenient, a very worn out passport, more GoPro mounts as well, an SD card reader, more sunglasses, my drone of course, my laptop, my new GoPro. Struggling to come up with anything else that I may need, but I'm going to head to tennis and have a think about it while I'm there. What I'm going to do, I'm going to bring all my stuff in here so it's not in the living room while I'm obviously out in case my parents come home, and yeah, then I'll be ready to put it all away, put it in my bags, and yeah, have a Domino's tonight before heading to the airport tomorrow. And oh boy, am I excited. Hello Nanny, okay? I'm very well, thank you, how are you? Mum and Dad dropped me off about, I think about quarter to 12. Well, tonight obviously flying to Jeddah in Saudi Arabia, and then I've got an overnight layover, and then I'm flying tomorrow to Manila. I will do, don't worry, we'll see you very soon. No worries, take care. Love you lots, bye bye. See ya, bye. Haven't done a whole lot of filming today, of course. It's been quite emotional being dropped off by my mum and dad this morning. It was, yeah, it was difficult, let's just put it that way. But look, here we are, we're leaving the UK for the next 8 months, and you are coming with me along every single step of the way. So let's head to the flight now. I'm going to Jeddah initially in economy class, and then yeah, we're heading on to Manila in the morning. The advantages of an aisle seat, you have much more room, especially if you're a bit claustrophobic like me. The disadvantages of an aisle seat is you cannot see out the window, and as you've just seen, the view this evening is absolutely fantastic. I've set my watch 2 hours forward so that I'm on the same time as Jeddah, so when I arrive I'm kind of used to the time. I guess there's not going to be much jet lag, just a 2-hour difference, but I had to do it at some point anyway, didn't I? Oh my goodness me, by far the best economy class food I've ever eaten in an aeroplane has just been consumed. Saudia Airlines, you have outdone yourselves with the cannelloni verde that I have just eaten. Given this flight is just 5 hours long, I was expecting a small meal service. I certainly wasn't expecting a full-blown dinner. The fact the quality of that dish was as high as it was, I am shocked. Don't even get me started on the pudding as well. It was a tiramisu. It was just perfect. We've got about 2 hours left of this flight until we touch down in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, and then we'll be more than on our way to the Philippines. Just gone 2 o'clock in the morning, Saudia time. Pretty good flight, I've got to be honest. I was impressed with the service from Saudia. Guess I'll talk about it a little bit later. I am feeling extremely tired and the night is not done yet. So now we're going to head to my next flight. A bit of a pinch myself moment. I've been upgraded to business class. So I'm going to stop this video here and I'll see you next time.